Hello everyone, this is Baljeet from JK, and this video I'm going to show how to wire up three-way switch. If you wonder, do you have one light bulb and getting control from two places from two separate switches? Those called three-way switch. Most commonly they are used in a living room and on the stairs. If you have a living room two entrance, each entrance have a switch controlling the same light bulb, and stair up and down controlling same light bulb. That's called three-way switch. Let's start. Before we go to actual wiring, we can look to the diagrams. I have two diagrams. The top one is wire diagram, the bottom one is a line diagram. As you see, the line black wire go to the first switch to the black terminal, that's called common. Then there's two from the top. Actually on the switch there will be the copper color contact, they're called traveler. And then from the second switch, black screw is called leg switch, also is called load side, that go to the light bulb. And as you switch, flip the switch, they change stage and the bulb goes hot and the neutral goes straight. This neutral line does not connect anywhere at the switches or inside the circuit. If we check line diagram, and line diagram is already showed how actually switches are working and the contact inside the switch, how they work. When we flip the switch, one contact go hot at the one time, so they flip and the current go through the traveler, go to the other switch, and that's the way light bulb comes on and off. Now let's look to the switch. Switch have a one black screw, this is called common, and then have a green screw, is called a ground screw, a green wire or wear copper wire. Another side we have two copper color screws, those are going to be leg switches, or we are using by the other switch we're gonna call traveler. Before we start wiring, just make sure there is no power. Always work safe and don't work with the live circuit. Let's talk about actual wiring. This is the main wire coming into the first switch. I have a three wire, one gonna be white, one black, and one green, but I'm using for a demo because both are black wire. But actually if you're running in a conduit, you're gonna run white, black, and green wire. If you're running in drywall, then you have to run sheet cable, which call 12 gauge two conductor is gonna 12-2. So which one have a black, white, and wear copper wire. Then from first switch to the second switch, actually you need a two hot conductor and one neutral. So you need a 12-3. It's called 12 gauge and 3 conductor. Which one gonna be have a white, black, and red. So the white wire does not connect anywhere at the switches. It will travel through the next wire straight to the light bulb. But as I'm showing on my board, it's like we are working in drywall, and green wire will be connected to the green screw. Then black wire goes to the black screw, it's called common. So we are bringing a line into the first switch at the black screw. Then we're going to travel current from first switch to the second switch, and it has a two color, red or black. In your case can be any two color. We're gonna connect to the both copper at the first switch. It shows like copper screw. As same we're gonna connect to the second switch to the copper. So basically the copper contact going to be to the next switch at the copper contact. And from the second switch to the light bulb, we are using that black screw. We was calling at the first switch common, but at this switch we will call load side. We also call leg switch, and it goes straight to the light bulb. Once we're done with the wire, Just make sure one more time there's no short circuit or any exposed wire, and we just turn the power on and flip the switch. It should work. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.